where the snowflakes dance. Penguins waddle in a chilly expanse. With tuxedo suits, they're dressed just right, sliding on ice from morning to night. They shuffle, they slide, they wobble, they glide on frosty hills, they take a ride. Whee! They shout as they zoom so fast, laughing and playing, what a blast! Penguins, penguins having so much fun under the glow of the midnight sun. Slip sliding, swimming, what a sight! Penguins rule the Antarctic night. When the ice feels cold, they dive in the sea, splish splash splashing so happily. Through waves they zoom, like rockets they go, chasing fish in the ocean's flow. They twist and they twirl, they leap and they spin. With flippers out, they always win. Come on in, the water's just fine, says a penguin pal with a grin so wide. Penguins, penguins having so much fun under the glow of the midnight sun. Slip sliding, swimming, what a sight! Penguins rule the Antarctic night. In the land of ice, where the winds blow free, penguins live in harmony. They huddle close when the storms roll in, sharing warmth with their penguin kin. Kids, did you know they're brave and strong? In the coldest place they all belong. With feathers thick and hearts so true, penguins teach us a thing or two. So if you dream of a world so white, where penguins play from day to night, pack your mittens, your boots, and your coat, and hop on a boat that's built to float. Penguins, penguins having so much fun under the glow of the midnight sun. Slip sliding, swimming, what a sight! Penguins rule the Antarctic night. So wave goodbye to your penguin friends, their icy adventures never end. From sliding on ice to swimming with glee, penguins are